Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G32 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to stop screen mirroring from your phone Moto G32. If you have enabled screen mirroring in your phone to TV, if you would like to stop screen mirroring, yes you can do it. What you have to do is go to the Google Home app, Google Home app in your phone. Google Home app in your phone, and then there you will find a devices option, and there you will have Android TV option. Just click it, and here click on stop mirroring, and mirroring will be stopped. Yes, it is stopped. So in this way you can easily stop screen mirroring, or otherwise you have other method from TV itself you can stop. I now enable screen mirroring, it's enabled. Okay, then to stop from screen from TV, just in your TV remote go back and screen mirror will be stopped. It will be disconnected from your phone. In this way you can easily stop screen mirroring in two method in your phone Moto G32. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.